Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to stop status updates from one contact on WhatsApp. So if there is someone annoying you with his status updates, he's sharing a lot of pictures or a lot of links, and you don't want to block him, you just want to to not see his updates anymore, you have just to go to WhatsApp, and after that go to updates, and after that, for example, here we will take this example. You will open the updates, you will click on the three dots on the top right of the screen, and you will click on hide and the name of that person, and it will ask you if you want to hide the status updates from that user, and you have to click on hide. And like that, if that person will share status updates in the future, there will be hidden and you will not see them. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.